Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use multiple document interface or MDI with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So let's get started. To start with, I have a sample project which is a blank project. So just make a blank project which have only one form, which is form1.db or VB, sorry. Okay, and in order to make this uh, MDI container or multiple document interface container, you just need to select this form and you need to go to the property and search for the property called is MDI container. By default this property is false, so just search for the property called is MDI container and make it true. So I will make it true and you will instantly see the change in your form and it becomes a MDI container. Now in order to implement child in this MDI container, childs in this MDI container, I will make two new forms, form 2 and form 3. So I will just click my project, right click it, and I will add new item and I will select Windows form here and I will leave it as form2.vb. So I've created one more form which is called form 2 and let me make a new form which is called form 3.vb and which is a Windows form. Okay, so I've created two more form 2 and form 3, which I will use them as a child. Okay, so now what I need to do is I will go to my first form and let's use menu strip for opening form 2 and form 3 inside our form 1, which is our MDI parent. So I will just drag and drop menu strip from here, from my toolbox, and in here it will create this menu strip. I will just name it as new and I will just go to here and I will say form 2 and form 3. Now I will just select my form 2 item, which is this item, and I will go to the event and I will just click on this click event, okay, which is already selected. Just double click in this box two times and you will reach to the form 2 tool strip menu item underscore click event. And in here what I need to do is I will need to declare an instance of form 2. So I will write dim f2 as new form 2, and now we need to specify that which is the parent of this f2 or which is the MDI parent of this f2. So right now we are in form 1, right, which is a parent. Okay, so this is a parent form 1 and we have gone to this button click event of form 2 tool strip item. Okay, so just write f2 dot MDI parent is equal to me. Why we have written me here? Because it's the same form 1. Okay, so form 1 is the parent, MDI parent of form 2. Okay, that's why I've written MDI parent is equal to me, and then just we need to show it, so f2 dot show. Okay, the same thing I will do it for form 3. So just select form 3 menu menu strip item and just go to event and just go to this click event and double click this and we will reach to the form 3 tool strip menu item click event, and I will copy the same code here, but I need to change this instance to form 3 f3 f3 and this will be form 3. Okay, so just I, I have written the same code but I have changed it for form 3. Now when I run the program, it's opening form 1, which is my MDI parent, right? and now it has a menu strip, and when I click this form 2, it should open form 2 inside my form 1, which is MDI parent. So let's click it, and you can see form 2 is created inside my form 1. Okay, let's create form 3. So I will click form 3, and you can see form 3 is created here, and I can minimize it, you can see here, and I can maximize it also. Okay, so form 3 and form 2. Okay, and I can create multiple instances of form 2 and form 3. It's not that only one instance will be open. So you can see here, two instances of form 2 are open right now. Same is for form 3. Two instances of form 3 are open right now. So multiple instances of forms we can open using this method. There is code to open only one instance at a time. You just need to Google it. It's really easy to find this kind of code, and you can optimize your project according to the multiple document interface in Visual Basic. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.